Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and sell stocks using eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com right here, and from here you're going to be able to see the join eToro option. If you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open up the application. It's going to work the same. You can join if you need an account. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in using the upper right corner login button. It's going to enable you to enter into your account. So once you've done that, you are going to be seeing your profile icon right here that you can open up to access your menu, dashboard, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to sell stocks, and what we can do is follow the help center right here on eToro on how to close and sell open positions. So basically there are two versions if you're using the web version or the mobile application. In the web version, you're going to go to your portfolio. That's going to be available once you click your profile icon, and it's going to open up a menu. You're going to select portfolio from there, and then you can click on the relevant instrument to see the breakdown into individual positions by taking a look at all the positions you have already invested into. Then you can click on sell next to the position that you want to close, and once you click on sell on the new screen, you're going to select sell and submit and confirm the selling, and this is going to enable you to sell your stocks. It's a similar process right here in the mobile application that you can follow as well, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.